am Dr. Meredith Newman, and I am an endodontist in private practice in Fresno, California. I have used Kerr products for my entire endodontic career, but the ones that I enjoy the most recently are the brand new Traverse and Zenflex files. I was an early adopter to these files. I've been using them since they came on the market about 3 years ago, and there's a lot of characteristics about them that I really enjoy. The first, and I think the most wonderful part of these files, is how flexible they are. They're extraordinarily flexible. They can handle really severe curvatures in teeth, and knowing how flexible they are gives me the confidence that I need to go treat any tooth that walks through my door. And as an endodontist, I am getting sent the most calcified, the most difficult, the curviest, the craziest teeth out there, and never once have I had to ask myself, will this file system be able to accommodate that? I love both the Traverse file, which is the 06 taper, and I love the Zenflex. I like to use the 04 taper, and I have had no trouble with them the entire time I've used them. The final Kerr product that I have used for my whole career is the Endovac. I cannot speak highly enough about the Endovac. It has really helped my instrumentation and my irrigation to be able to use that Endovac to see the canals, to see when canals connect, to know that they're clean, to be able to know that I'm getting that really nice negative pressure irrigation in every single case that I work on. The product I use the most from Kerr are the files, the Traverse and the Zenflex files. I would recommend them to any clinician on the planet, mainly because of their intense flexibility. They are so flexible. The separation rate is essentially zero for me on those files, and I just feel that they are some of the very best files on the market. They're super flexible. I absolutely love the maximum flute diameter. I know that I'm giving my patient the very best of the best when I'm working with these files, and I would be more than happy to put those files up against any file in the entire world and know that they would come out on top for giving me the very best endodontic treatment for my patients. As an endodontist, we get referred the craziest cases in the world, the super curvy, the super calcified, and when I'm using both the Traverse and the Zenflex, I know that I have the confidence to be able to treat those cases. And I truly believe that confidence is what makes you a really good clinician. Going in and knowing that the supplies that you are using are something that you trust, that you're confident in, that you will get a good result, that you're not tentative, you're not worried about whether or not this case is going to go well, but that you know it's going to go well. So when I have the extremely calcified cases, I know that my Traverse files are going to get me to the apex so that I can get that tooth clean. When I have the really, really curvy mesial buccal roots of that maxillary molar that are just turning 90 degrees, I know that I'm going to be able to get a Zenflex file down there, and I have done plenty of cases like that without really even breaking a sweat, because I know that those files are going to do exactly what I want them to do, and it gives me the confidence to perform under any circumstances. What I love most about working with Kerr products is the quality of the products. The products are extremely high quality. They give me a lot of confidence when I'm working on my cases, knowing that I'm using the best quality for my patients. I also love the customer service that I get from Kerr. The Kerr reps are so attentive. I know that I can reach out to my rep at any moment in time. If I have a question on how to use something, if I want to try a new product, if I just want to troubleshoot something, my Kerr rep will get back to me immediately. And I think that customer service is a dying breed here, and the customer service that I get from Kerr is next level, and that alone makes me just love working with Kerr.